Okay, I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of the house that I've been building on the single player. I think I'm going to try to replicate this on Shiloh Bonneville. So I'm up on this hill here. Get a good overview. This is the front of the house. So we have this, I'm not going to walk all the way up it, but we have this staircase going all the way up to the front door. Got our little lookout deck here. Nice view. Isn't that kind of imposing? I went for a more like Gothic look, but I didn't want to do it all in dark. And I want my roofing contractor Cindy to be very proud of these dormers. There's one on each side, but we'll get to the back in a minute. So front hall. Nice big kitchen. Living quarters here, living area, whatever you want to call it. Card table, entertainment. Now, I'm really proud of the stairway here, so because there's 3 levels. So there's a double staircase on either side. And on the second level, you just go through the stairway here, and we've got a game room. And this is sort of like a little I guess for the teenagers, little hangout. There's a little kitchenette. Of course, the typical bathroom. You know, game area. And then the nursery. Obviously, they had a girl. Typical bathroom on that side. And there's a little sitting area, play area, the archways in the rooms. So that's the second level, and then you go upstairs again to the third level. There's a beautiful sitting area where you can look out over the front deck and the view. And we have big bedroom here, done in my typical Gothic red and black. Computer area, little sitting area, and don't left that crafting table there. Red and black bathroom to match. And then across the hall is the master bedroom. Got a little desk area, sewing. Of course, I had to put the vanilla bed there to turn it daylight. This was all done in survival, by the way. This was not done in creative. I have been working on this for a while. Well, half and half. I take that back. I did go into creative just to do the roof. I got the materials, but I flew around to actually place them. So there's my little bathroom. And I'll take you back downstairs. This is just for viewing, but you can actually jump the rail, and so there's looks out over the back of the hill there. Whoop. So down the stairs, and this is the back door. Oh, my little crafting closet here, and storage areas under the stairs. So in the backyard is the doghouse and part of my orchard, where I've been gathering materials. And oh, we didn't need that anymore. So I've got lots of orchard trees here and my full garden. And I don't have pigs yet, but I have cows and sheep and chickens. We built a little chicken house here. So, and there's not much yard space because it just curves around back to the front of the house. There is actually, in that direction, just past that hill you can see, is a village, so it's not very far. And then there's a back staircase going down the mountain. There's lots of caves underneath here. And I've got my sugarcane, melon patches, and some more orchard trees that I have found. And then I do my fishing right over here. So it wasn't very far. I haven't traveled a whole lot other than to get materials, because this was actually my spawn point on the side of this cliff. And I dug in here, and this was my little starter place. Oh look, I still have food left. Oh my gosh, I still have lots of stuff left in there. Even some armor I made. I found tons of iron while caving in here, and this is where I got all of my slate and diorite and marble and limestone that I used on the building. So yeah, this was my little starter, and then I came across here and saw that hill and this little valley and thought, well, that's just going to be perfect. So I think this house turned out beautiful, and I'm going to hopefully try to recreate that in Shiloh Bonneville.